Beautiful Wednesday today. Time for another video. And my meat of choice today is veal. For those who might not know, veal is a meat from a cow, a calf, basically the baby cow, which is usually probably like 3 weeks old maximum, and that makes the meat quite tender and good to and very delicious. So I'm going to cut it into chunks, as you can see. After which, using some little amount of cooking oil, I'm going to add my herbs. These herbs will include cinnamon, cardamom, some green cumin, bay leaf, and 2 cloves of garlic. And then I'm going to add my veal. I'm going to let this fry with also some diced onions. And after which I'm going to transfer this veal. Once it's browned all sides, I'm going to transfer everything together with the herbs into a pressure cooker and add some water and let it cook. It's become tender in some time. I'm going to let it for probably like 30 minutes or so. And the oil that I was using for the frying, I'm going to add some garlic, onions, some carrots, some capsicum, and I'm going to let this cook. Reasons why is because I want the aroma from the meat, the one that was retained in the oil, to also be incorporated with the rice that I'm about to cook, which I've just added some cumin, coriander powder, and some soy sauce, and some black pepper, I believe so. And also I'm going to add my rice, give this a good mix to let all the ingredients to combine properly, and add some water. Then that's the end product. I'm going to set that aside and start off another pot where I'm going to add some curry leaves, some fresh chili, some onions sliced, and some diced garlic. Then also I'm going to add some fresh tomatoes, give that a good mix, let it sweat off and become soft. Then I'm going to add my turmeric, chili powder, and some curry powder. After which I'm going to add some coriander powder and cumin powder. After that I'm going to add some little water, let the spices cook completely. It's important step. After which I'm going to add some salt for the seasoning. I'm going to add in some tomato paste and the meat that was softening up. I'm going to transfer it to this sauce that I was preparing right here. I'm going to add in some stock from that same meat, give it a good mix, let it simmer, and of course I'm removing the chunks of ginger that you're seeing there that I had added to the stock. And then I finish it off with a sprinkle of cilantro. Right here you're seeing me plating the food with the rice. Well, this was a completely total flop because the rice could not hold. Fortunately, sometimes it happens. At this point, I want to let you know that you can try out my recipe. Let's engage on the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.